Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nordina binti Muhammad Asri, and today I will talk about rapid prototyping that related in V&V phase. Let's start. Okay, our chosen process model is rapid prototyping. This is the diagram of the rapid prototyping model, and we start with initial requirements. Next, to design, and then it will iterate to prototyping, customer evaluation, review and updation. They will iterate until customer satisfied. Then it will start with development, test and maintained. So this is the V&V in rapid prototyping phase, which include initial requirements, design and test. So this is validation and verification that related in the phase, which is initial requirement phase. So we start with confirms by inspection that the requirements contain the necessary elements, the process of the characteristic of a well-formed requirement, and that requirement set conforms the rules set forth in the organization requirement development guidelines. It's like, is the requirement structured correctly in accordance with the organization standards, guidelines, rules and checklists? And for the verification phase, confirmation that the requirements set and agree to transformation that clearly communicates the stakeholder needs and expectation in language understood by the developers. And the focus is on the message that the requirement set is communicating. Like, does the requirement and the requirement set clearly and correctly communicate the stakeholder expectation and needs? Or are we going the right thing? Are we doing the right things? Or are we building the right thing as defined by the requirement set?
Okay, let's continue our presentation. Before that, my name is Musfirah. Okay, validation and verification related in design phase. Verification is the process which used to determine the quality of our product. Verification, from the design point of view, verify is something which you accomplish when building a site map, clear and concise guideline, and operational wireframe, or while checking the consistency across multiple user interface. Some of the most common verification method use automated test, integration test, and code review. The main question here is, does the design clearly and correctly represent the requirement set? Did we design the product right? Okay, for the validation, confirmation the design will result in the system that meets its intended purpose in its operational environment. With validation, we check that the product we are building matches the user and business needs. So the main question in validation design phase is, are we building the right product? Is the product solving a risk problem? Okay, next is testing phase. Validation, a process of evaluate software during the develop process or at the end of the development process to determine whether it satisfies specified business requirement. So the focus is on the complete system and how well it meets stakeholder needs that were defined during the scope definition phase that should have occurred at the beginning of the project. So the main question here is, did we build the right product? So next, this is a reference. So that's all from us. Thank you.